Number 1. 1965 Ford Thunderbird, 3,850 Oakland, California. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird represents a fourth-generation personal luxury coupe, but this example is clearly a project. With a non-running engine and unknown mileage, it will require a full mechanical evaluation and likely significant investment. The fair condition and clean title are positives, but buyers should treat this as a restoration candidate rather than a driver. Thunderbirds from this era are stylish and collectible, but this one is priced accordingly due to its non-operational status. Number 2, 1952 Mercury Monterey, $9,800, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This Mercury Monterey is an honest, usable classic with strong vintage appeal. Powered by the iconic Flathead V8 and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it offers an authentic early post-war driving experience. The addition of front disc brakes and an electric fuel pump significantly improves drivability and reliability. With original interior and a well-maintained driver condition, this car strikes a great balance between originality and usability, perfect for weekend cruising or casual shows. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair, $8,000, Delta, British Columbia, Canada. This Corvair is a unique rear-engine American compact that stands out from traditional muscle-era cars. Restored about 20 years ago, it remains a solid turnkey driver with room for light improvements. The manual transmission enhances the engaging driving experience these cars are known for. While not perfect, its condition and usability make it an appealing entry-level classic, especially for enthusiasts who appreciate unconventional engineering. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Super Sport, $15,000, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This Monte Carlo Super Sport has been upgraded with a 383-stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, delivering significantly more performance than stock. The rust-free frame and excellent condition make it highly desirable among G-body enthusiasts. Minor finishing work and a small exhaust leak are noted, but overall, this is a strong-running, well-preserved example of a true super sport. These cars continue to grow in popularity, especially with performance upgrades like this. Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet Corvette, $12,000, St. Paul, Minnesota. This Corvette is a clean, well-maintained example of the C4 generation. With only 56,000 miles and mostly stock condition, it offers a solid mix of performance and affordability. The automatic transmission and aftermarket audio system make it more comfortable for casual driving. While not as collectible as earlier Corvettes, the C4 provides excellent value for entry into classic American sports cars, especially in this condition. Number 6. 1950 Chevrolet Delivery Custom, $30,600, Paradise Valley, Arizona. This fully restored Chevrolet Delivery is a standout custom build with strong visual appeal. Retaining its original inline six-cylinder engine, now rebuilt, it combines authenticity with reliability. The custom interior, upgraded carburetor, and rust-free body elevate its desirability. Delivery models are less common than standard sedans, making this a unique show-ready vehicle with both charm and practicality for collectors. Number 7. 1953 Mercury Monterey, $11,800, Portland, Oregon. This restored Mercury blends classic styling with modern upgrades, including a small block Chevrolet engine and a 700R transmission. The custom leather interior and updated mechanical components make it a comfortable and reliable cruiser. While not fully original, the tasteful modifications enhance usability without sacrificing vintage appeal. It is a strong candidate for someone seeking a classic look with modern driving convenience. Number 8. 1967 Mercury COUGAR, $18,000, Castle Rock, Washington. This Mercury COUGAR is a clean, well-built example featuring a 351 Windsor engine and numerous upgrades. Fresh paint, new interior components, and a rust-free body significantly increase its value. Performance enhancements like headers and dual exhaust add to its appeal. While it features manual brakes and steering, which may require more driver input, it remains a solid and desirable early Cougar, known for its refined Mustang-based platform. Number 9. 1949 Chevrolet Coupe Custom, $19,900, Paradise Valley, Arizona. This custom 1949 Chevrolet Coupe is a fully modernized classic with extensive upgrades. The 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and numerous comfort features such as power windows, air conditioning, and cruise control make it highly drivable. The build quality appears strong, and the ability to handle highway driving comfortably is a major plus. This is an excellent example of a Aristomod that blends vintage aesthetics with modern performance and convenience. Number 10. 1956 Ford Fairlane two-door post, $17,995, Bozeman, Montana. This Fairlane has been upgraded with a 351 Windsor engine and modern cooling and braking components, making it far more reliable than stock. The addition of front disc brakes and an aluminum radiator improves safety and drivability. With excellent condition overall, this car represents a well-balanced Aristomod that maintains its classic styling while offering improved performance for modern driving conditions. Number 11, 1965 Ford Mustang Custom, $18,500, San Francisco, California. This customized Mustang is a heavily upgraded example with a high-performance V8 engine and numerous new components throughout. From the fuel system to suspension and braking upgrades, it has been thoroughly refreshed. The new paint, custom interior, and modern wheels give it a strong visual presence. While not original, it is a solid investment-grade driver that offers both reliability and performance, making it highly appealing in today's Mustang market.